Greetings, this is Charles Darwin, and I'm speaking to you from inside one of the chapels at Mission La Purisima, near Lompoc, California. This is one of the Spanish missions. It was established in the late 1700s. There are two large chapels, sanctuaries, in this mission. Now, many of the rooms were devoted to such things as tanning leather, making things out of leather, carving wool, things like that. And out on the patio, there were lots of places for making bread and making candles. But a very large part of the mission was devoted to rooms such as this. The alternate reality of religious experience. When the Spaniards came to California, what they saw was not the native plants, the trees. They did not see the native peoples living a lifestyle that was adapted to the land in which they found themselves. What they saw was souls that needed to be converted to this reality. Because more real to them than the mountains and the ocean was the continued existence of saints actually in our presence, in our daily lives. And they believed that the most important thing for these Native Americans was to learn about these particular spiritual unseen individuals. Secondary to that was learning agriculture and herding. This was the most important thing. Now, of course, this is a very human characteristic. It's not something that just the Europeans, such as the Spaniards and others, did. The Native Americans had their own version of all-encompassing spiritual reality. If you visit Chaco Canyon in New Mexico, you will find that many of the buildings there are kivas. Many of the rooms are devoted to religious observances. Religion was a part of every day, of every moment of their lives, just as it was for the Spaniards. The difference, of course, was that when the Spaniards came, they brought guns and germs with them, and eventually ended up nearly exterminating the Chumash Indians of this region. There are, of course, descendants of them still around today, but the last speaker of the Chumash language died somewhere around the year 1900. So we had cultural extinction resulting from the clash between two spiritual realities. And one of them considered itself to be a conquering spiritual reality, whereas the other one considered itself to be a spiritual reality in place. This is Charles Darwin speaking to you about the religious animal, Homo sapiens. Tally ho, and Darwin.